Every day the news tells us the economy is doing great. But if everything is booming, why do so many people still feel left behind? Headlines sound positive, but your monthly bills tell a different story. For many families, everyday expenses continue to rise. Food costs more than it used to. Even buying the basics can feel like a challenge for many people.
Stock markets may be rising, but not everyone owns stocks. A growing market doesn't always improve everyday life.
A country's economy and your personal finances are not always the same thing. That's where many people get confused.
Home prices have climbed much faster than many people's incomes. Buying a house feels farther away than ever.
Wages have increased for some workers. But in many places, living costs have grown even faster.
Social media often makes it seem like everyone else is getting richer. But online highlights rarely show the full picture. The path to financial stability isn't the same for everyone. Some people face bigger obstacles before they even begin. The economy may not be fair to everyone, but understanding how it works is the first step toward making smarter financial decisions.
Many headlines celebrate job growth. But finding a good-paying job is still difficult for many people. Earning more money doesn't always mean keeping more money. Expenses often grow even faster. Saving money has become harder than ever. Even small emergencies can empty months of careful savings. One of the best investments isn't the stock market. It's learning skills that make you more valuable.
Financial success rarely happens overnight. It grows through small decisions repeated over time.
Everyone grows at a different pace. Comparing your journey to someone else's only creates unnecessary stress.
A simple budget gives every dollar a purpose. Knowing where your money goes helps you make better decisions.
Not every purchase makes life better. Sometimes saying no is the smartest financial decision. Even small savings matter. Tiny amounts collected consistently can become something meaningful over time.
The economy may not always work in your favor, but your daily habits can build a stronger future, one step at a time. Every financial decision is like choosing a road. The easiest path isn't always the one that leads to lasting success.
Fast results are exciting, but steady progress usually wins in the long run. Knowledge creates opportunities that money alone cannot buy. Learning gives you options when times become difficult.
The more you develop your skills, the more opportunities begin to grow around you.
Success isn't one giant leap. It's climbing one step at a time without giving up. When everyone around you is panicking, staying calm becomes a powerful advantage. Consistency often beats intensity. Small actions repeated every week create powerful long-term results. Sharing knowledge helps everyone grow. Sometimes the best investment is helping others understand what you've learned.
The only person you need to compete with is the person you were yesterday.
Your journey may be long, but every smart decision moves you one step closer to financial freedom.
Real wealth grows slowly, just like a healthy tree. Strong roots matter far more than fast results.
Clear goals give your money a purpose. When you know where you're going, every small step becomes meaningful.
Sometimes the smartest purchase is the one you never make. Self-control protects your future.
Progress may feel slow, but steady saving creates results that become impossible to ignore. Success becomes even more meaningful when you help someone else rise with you. Your greatest investment has always been yourself. Skills and confidence stay with you no matter what the economy does. You can't change yesterday's mistakes, but every decision today builds a different tomorrow.
These simple habits may not make you rich overnight, but they can completely change your financial future.
The future belongs to people who keep moving forward, even when progress feels slow. The economy may not be booming for everyone, but your future doesn't have to depend on headlines. Keep learning, stay consistent,
Believe in yourself, and build the life you truly deserve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep growing.